MITS will also need to make sure that the design stage is right on track before they could start with the defining of the process and services. This will give the users a better understanding of the services. They will also need to properly document the scope of their responsibility and the problem owner, and also the service availability. The other consideration would involve the capacity in terms of business, services, and component. All these are the determination of how well the task can be done and what are the available capacity to improve. The service operation stage is where everything comes to place. For this case, it's the implementation and the running of the training system and the online self-paced training. As MITS is working with external party to run the training, they need to ensure the training itself is in line with the organization goal. They started by sending some of the selected staff for training courses. However, there are too many employees within MITS. They started another training method, which is the online self-paced training, where employees can study ITIL on their own free time during working or non-working hours. The online training will also guide them by reminding them deadlines and sending top scorers list to the management for future professional or champion training. The final stage is the continuous service and improvement. After the operation is running smooth and stable, they will need to continue monitor the system and the process. And through this, MITS will monitor if there is any reports or suggestion, and they will take the user's report or suggestion into consideration. So now, I'll continue with the importance of ITIL. ITIL is a service management framework implemented by IRS into the MITS. It provides a good practice and guidelines for the organization to deliver its IT services. In order to meet its goal set by the Commissioner of IRS, MITS team began the process of assessing its IT environment to better understand what change could be made in the context of best practice that would improve the end user's experience delivered to business units and taxpayers on the daily basis. After much assessment, MITS decided to use ITIL v3 as their framework. The reason they chose ITIL is because they wanted to change the method of service of their IT department from cost center to service center. By using ITIL, they can change their work method to service center, making it easier for them to focus on problem, incident, change, and service management being requested. The ITIL framework chosen was ITIL v3 with its 5 core processes of service strategy, service design, service transition, service implementation, and continuous service improvement. As ITIL now has an improved version, which is the ITIL v3, the simplified 5 core processes make it easier to understand and implement compared to the ITIL v2 of 7 core processes. So what are the impact of ITIL towards IRS? Well, the impact of ITIL towards IRS is mostly positive. It helped IRS to convert MITS to a service center to reach its goal on providing better service to its users. ITIL is considered a successful project in IRS as not only MITS are expanding the training, even the other departments are monitoring the process of ITIL in MITS to decide if they would want to implement ITIL in their department as well. It definitely has helped IRS in terms of being able to give a more focused service to their users. The impact of ITIL towards MITS was really good as well. It was noticed through the training. It helped the staff to better manage their time. Staff can continue with their daily tasks and choose to practice or study ITIL during their non-peak time. The system itself was able to act as a guide to remind them of their assignment deadline, as well as keeping track of top students that has the potential to continue to an intermediate course of ITIL. A mentoring committee was also set up by MITS for its ITIL users to communicate or share their problem and solution to help others. It also helped the other staff without ITIL knowledge to inquire and further understand ITIL processes.
Created using Powtoon.